There we go. Lesson 1.2, basic pronunciation. Kia ora, welcome back. Now, look, whether you're brand new to learning te reo Māori or even if you've had a little bit of experience in the past, today we're going to start right at the very basics. Te reo Māori is more than just a language. It's a taonga that connects us to our culture and our history here in Aotearoa. It's also one of our official languages and part of our national identity. So by learning te reo Māori, you help keep the language alive for our tamariki and our mokopuna, our future generations. Today, we're going to start with pronunciation. It's one of the most important parts of te reo Māori. Now, there are 5 vowels in te reo Māori, and they sound a little bit different from English. They are a, like the ah sound that you make at the dentist when they say open up wide, and you say ah. E, as in the air sound in the word egg. E, just like the letter E in English. Or just like the A-W-E sound in the word awesome. And oo, just like the O-O sound in the word food. Oo. Let's practice those. Repeat them after me. You ready? A, E, I, O, oo. Ka pai. Good job. Now, let's try them backwards. U, O, I, E, A. Great job. Once you get the hang of the vowels, you're going to find it much easier to pronounce the rest of te reo Māori. There are also 10 consonants in te reo Māori. They are H, K, M, N, NG, P, R, T, W, and WH. Now, most of these are pronounced just like their English counterpart, but there are a few trickier ones, in particular the R, the WH, and the NG. So the R sound is pronounced like a soft DD sound. Think about words like tiri or ara. Let's practice. Say it with me. Tiri, ara, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Ka pai. Now, the WH sound is pronounced like the English F. So the word whānau is actually pronounced whānau. Different iwi tribes have different variations, and we call these dialects. But today, we're learning standard Māori. So let's have a practice. Repeat after me. Whā, whē, whi, fo, fu. Great job. Now, the NG sound is like the NG in the word sing. So let's practice that together. Say the word sing. Now say ngā, nge, ngi, ngō, ngu. Ka pai. Now, let's talk about macrons. A macron is a little line that sits above a vowel, and it makes the vowel sound a little bit longer. For example, whānau without a macron would be pronounced whānau. Now, it pays to know that sometimes a macron can change the meaning of a word entirely. For example, keke is the Māori word for cake, but ke with macrons means armpit. You can see that a macron can make a massive difference. So if you see one, make sure you pronounce it just to be safe. So let's practice using some words with macrons. Repeat after me. Māori, Māori. Ka pai. Whānau, whānau. Kōrero, kōrero. Good job. Let's try some others without macrons this time. Waiata, waiata, waiata. How about this one? Tamariki, tamariki, tamariki. And last but not least, waitangi, waitangi, waitangi. Fantastic. Look, just keep practicing because good pronunciation is the key to being understood and also understanding others in te reo Māori. Right, now in the next lesson, we're going to dive into some commonly used words and phrases so that you can start speaking te reo Māori right away. Kia kaha, and I'll see you in the next lesson. That's all good. Happy with that.